Now, some of your clients may be searching for a lawyer who offers services in a specific language. And in that case, just listing the language may be helpful to make you findable. But LinkedIn also offers the option of making your profile available in a second or third language. This is the only exception to not having more than one LinkedIn profile. And it's not that you sign up again as another person in another language, but there's a widget that will allow you to create that other option. Sorry, that other version of your LinkedIn profile. And we will show you where that is. And lastly, recommendations will also make you findable. And the reason for that is when somebody recommends you, the recommendation doesn't just appear on your profile, it also appears on the profile of the person who recommended you, which means that everybody who is connected to that person will see that they recommended you. All right, so the next step, after you've done the basics and you've worked on making yourself findable, would be to customize your content to reflect your professional identity. And two ideas to do that would be to integrate visuals or a message using text into your banner space. Now, the banner is that big rectangle at the top. We're not talking about the thumbnail for your headshot. We're talking about the banner space, the rectangle. And most LinkedIn profiles actually leave this empty, so it's the default empty space. So you can use it to post something branded, and we will show you examples of that. The second idea here is the featured section, which a lot of people aren't using. And the featured section can be very visual, and it can be used to communicate a high-level message about your firm using something that is compelling and pops from the clutter, something visually interesting. For example, you may have done a video about your firm, or you may have done a high-profile media interview.